Hello, 6th graders. Welcome to Big Ideas Math, Contract Math, Section 7.3, 2012 edition, Volumes of Pyramids lesson. Pause while you write Section 7.3, 2012 edition, lesson in your math notebook. Pause again while you write today's lesson objective in your math notebook. Today's objective is use a formula to find the volume of a pyramid. Today we'll be starting on page 312 in your math textbook. Example 1, finding the volume of a pyramid. Find the volume of a pyramid. Our volume formula for a pyramid is V equals 1/3 capital B times H. So write the formula for volume and then you substitute in. It tells you in the picture that the area of the base of this pyramid is 48 millimeters squared. So you use 48, and the height is 9 millimeters. So 48 times 9 times 1/3 equals 144. So the volume is 144 cubic millimeters. Now let's take a look at example 2. We're going to find the volume of a pyramid again. Letter A. We have a pyramid with a base that is 3 feet by 4 feet, and the height is 7 feet. So our first step again is to write the formula. Volume equals 1/3 capital B times height. And so we just fill in our numbers. 1/3, 3 times 4 times 7. So when we multiply that out, we get 28. So the volume is 28 cubic feet. So let's look at B. We have a pyramid that is 6 meters by 17.5 meters, and the height is 10 meters. But it's only a half of a pyramid. So it's sliced in half, and that's kind of hard to see in the picture. So we do 1/3 times 1/2, and then we have the area of the base, which is 17.5 times 6, and then we multiply that by the height, which is 10. So when we multiply all of that out, we end up with 175 cubic meters. Moving on to page 313, example 3, a real-life application. We have letter A, the volume of sunscreen bottle B is how many times the volume in bottle A? And then letter B asks, which is the better buy? So bottle A costs $9.96, and the base of the bottle is 2 inches by 1 inch, and the height is 6 inches. And bottle B costs $14.40, and the base of the bottle is 3 inches by 1.5 inch, and it's 4 inches high. So let's compare the two bottles. It says use the formula for the volume of a pyramid to estimate the amount of sunscreen in each bottle. So we write our formula twice, once for each bottle. 1/3, looking at bottle A, 1/3 times the area of the base, so that's 2 times 1, times the height, which is 6. That gives us 4 cubic inches. And then bottle B, the area of the base is 3 times 1.5, and then we multiply that times 4, and multiply the whole thing times 1/3, and we get 6 cubic inches. So the volume of the sunscreen in bottle B is 6/4, or 1.5 times the volume in bottle A. So then we need to find the unit cost for each bottle. So we're going to divide the cost by the volume. So bottle A is $9.96 divided by 4. And so it's $2.49 per cubic inch. And when we do that for bottle B, we have $4.40 divided by 6, and that turns out to be $2.40 per cubic inch. So the unit cost of bottle B is less than the unit cost of bottle A. So bottle B is the better buy. Your assignment for this lesson is to complete the On Your Own problems 1 through 4 below. They're also on page 313 of your textbook. Show your work and be prepared to share during our next class. Please remember, to earn credit for viewing this flipped lesson, you must complete your exit slip, come to our next class prepared with the journal pages or other work from the flipped lesson completed, and be prepared with any work that was assigned in the flipped lesson completed. Be prepared with any questions you have for the teacher, and always have a good attitude. We'll see you next time in class.